The realization that being a project manager over the past several years, the realization that what I was doing increasingly was more and more Scrum-ish, that's really what the direction I wanted to go in professionally, intellectually. So it's time to learn a bit more. Probably the instruction. It was just very valid. It was incredibly well encapsulated and very sort of applicable, and then on a personal, professional level, very validating. Absolutely, hands down, yes.
I really thought it's just like a coming-of-age type of methodology that's being introduced throughout the business world, and I already have my PMP, so I wanted to incorporate the CSM certification on top of that to be a well-rounded, business acumen. I really enjoyed the way that Mark presented the material in a real easy, nice, friendly format, and I really enjoyed how there was group exercises to really solidify the instruction that he was providing. Would I recommend this program and Mark specifically? Absolutely. It was a very well put together seminar, and it's clear that he is absolutely done his homework in this subject. He's very knowledgeable.
Actually, I've been doing project management for like 5 years, so the next logical step for me was to start working on the agile methodology. Actually, everything, the group exercises, they were pretty good. The trainer was excellent. The materials, they were pretty good. So pretty much everything. Yes, 100%.
I've had teams on some of my programs that were running with a lot of the agile principles, and I wanted to understand it and pull it together so I can implement it in future projects that I'm running and programs. I enjoyed the last couple of sections where Mark talked about the different techniques for complex teams, and got a lot out of that. I would absolutely recommend this class. It's truly first class, and Mark was just outstanding.
In my previous life, I was a consultant, and I utilized iterative tactics. And then when I went into corporate America and was working in a waterfall environment, I am now looking for new opportunities, and I wanted to be able to put some sort of credential or even just terminology around what I had done for most of my career. I really loved Mark. His energy and enthusiasm was just contagious. I really would recommend Platinum Edge and the class as well as Mark to anyone.
For almost 3 years, I've been working in this agile environment or Scrum environment, and I had some moments which went well and many which didn't go well. So I thought this is an opportunity to learn how, from the horse's mouth, how the Scrum is run and how it goes. So that was my driver to come to this class. To be very honest with you, it was entire 2 days. Right from the moment it started, the activities, the energy of Mark, the real life examples, the course material, everything was like giving me a new information about the Scrum, or relating, and I could relate it to my actual real life experiences. So that was the best part. Probably I could find it's very linking. Absolutely, yes. Probably this is where you don't feel that he's someone else. It's like he's a part of your team member and part of your team, and he's just explaining you how to go along with you. So I would definitely recommend him.
Well, this is a certification on being a Scrum Master I've seen with a lot of fellow colleagues, and I've seen that a lot of project managers, and talking to them, they've told me this is a very valuable certification and education to have, and that's why I chose to come to this class today. Mark's ability to explain a lot of different nuggets of information, which I found really helpful. Not only is it good for work, but even on a personal level, the advice that he gave and the quotations and his sayings really sealed and made me realize this is great value for the class that I came for.